Hi, I'm Phil Henderson, and I've been the guardian of this old Superior Carriers B Model Mack for the last 14 years. This truck was rebuilt by a group of managers in the early 90s in dedication to John Burns, who was the founder and owner of Superior Carriers that we all work for. And we showing it up here today in Harrisonburg in tribute to him. We all thought a lot of him. He was really a unique guy. He put himself through Harvard Business College driving a Mack dump truck. He just was so easy to talk to. But this old truck was new. It was bought by SO Oil. It was one of 8 delivered in 1956 to South Plainfield, New Jersey, and that's where it started its life. One of the Mack dealers in New Jersey, and I'm not familiar which one, he found the truck for the Superior managers looking to restore one for John. The agreement that they bought it from a guy doing construction work, but the agreement he made with them was if you can't put the truck back to work, but I'll sell it to you if you promise you're just going to show it. So that's all it's done since. It had a nice little 65 model tank, stainless steel manufacturing company we pulled behind it. Henderson bought Superior out a year and a half ago, and they now got the tank, but they traded the truck to Bob Fisher, who has been a long-term operator for Superior Carriers for many years. He's not here yet this morning, or he could tell you about all that. But I've enjoyed looking after the old truck and shining on it, and we used to get Scruggs Wrecker in Spartanburg, would put it on a Landau and take it all over the country to truck shows. My wife and I took it to York, Pennsylvania in 2015 to the national show and showed it up there, so there's been a lot of great enjoyment, a lot of good times out of this old truck.